today. The three voltage measuring procedure, which is the analogy multimeter, digital multimeter, and the clamp meters. We are going to share with you a knowledge about how to measure voltage using the analogy multimeter, digital multimeter, and the clamp meters. And we are going to share to you a brief explanation and the importance of it. To measure voltage using a multimeter, you can follow these steps.
Hello everyone, I'm Dita known as S, and today I'm going to discuss to you how to measure voltage using a simple tool called analog multimeter. So what is an analog multimeter? An analog multimeter is a device used to measure electrical quantities like voltage, current, and resistance. How to measure AC voltage using analog multimeter? So there are also three steps to follow. The first step is set the dial, turn the dial to AC voltage setting. Then connect the probes. So we need to connect the probes to the live and neutral terminals of the outlet. Need to connect. Then read the meter. The meter will show the voltage value.
I'm Gonzaga Dave P, and I'll be explaining the digital multimeter. A digital multimeter is an electronic measuring instrument that combines function in a single device. It used to measure various electrical quantities like voltage, electrical potential difference between 2 points, current, the rate of flow of electrical charge, resistance, the opposition to the flow of electrical current, and capacitance, the ability of a component to store an electrical charge.
That's all for how to measure voltage using the digital multimeter.
Hello everyone, I am Teacher Sivajan B. Now we discuss about clamp meter. What is clamp meter? Clamp meter, also known as a clamp ammeter, is primarily used to measure current, not voltage. However, many modern clamp meters come with additional features including the ability to measure voltage. Here's how you can measure voltage using a clamp meter, assuming your device has this function. Steps to measure voltage with a clamp meter. First, ensure the meter is set to a voltage mode. Switch the dial on the clamp meter to the voltage setting. This is typically indicated by a V symbol, and it may be followed by an indication for either AC or DC voltage. AC typically has a title, and DC has a straight line with dots beneath it. Second step, connect the test leads. Plug the red lead into the V or volt terminal, usually marked red, and the black lead into the common or COM terminal. Third step, select AC or DC voltage. Decide if you want to measure AC or DC voltage. Most clamp meters have separate settings for AC and DC voltage, so choose the appropriate one of your measurements. Fourth step, connect the test leads to the circuit. For measuring voltage, you need to make contact with the circuit. Place the black or negative probe on a ground or neutral point to the circuit, and place the red or positive probe on the point where you want to measure the voltage. Fifth step, read the voltage. The display on the clamp meter should show the voltage value of the circuit. Make sure to check the meter range, as you may need to adjust it based on the respected voltage. That's all for how to measure voltage using a clamp meter.